Hey dudes, today I want to make a 2022 update for exporting out of Pro Tools because Pro Tools changed the way that you export now. So let's jump into it and check it out. So you may remember from before that we would go File, and then it used to say Bounce to Disk or Bounce to QuickTime. Now they've condensed that to just say Bounce Mix. So the big difference here is in this file type menu, we can now change, here's wave, for example, if we wanted audio, but here we go, MXF or MOV. That is how we would do a movie file export out of Pro Tools. So I'll try to move a little bit fast through the rest of these options because we've kind of already gone over this, but just remember that if you do your source as your physical output, that will ensure that whatever you've been listening to will export. Your compression type here, probably leave it uncompressed, interleaved, unless you want to do mono for some reason, 24, 48, those are standard. In the video section now, we can do same as source, which will be the fastest export, or if you need to for some reason, you can change the codec to ProRes or H.264 or something like that. But again, if you do same as source, it'll bounce the fastest. And then it's automatically set up again for your session folder, bounced files. That's great. If you want to change the directory, you can. Make sure you're offline. Hit bounce, and that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you that basically they just changed the language and condensed the menu option a little bit, but it is still possible to export audio files and video files out of Pro Tools in 2022 and hopefully beyond, and hopefully I don't have to re-record this anytime soon. But that's it. That's how you export out of Pro Tools. I hope this one was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Later, dudes.